Good morning everyone. How are you all? Today our topic name is perimeter 2 from page number 89. Okay, in last class we completed up to question number 4. Now a little bit concentrate because 5, 6 and 7 all the three questions a little bit tricky. So what is the question number 5? Investigate the possible length and width of the rectangle. That means we need to find out length and width of the rectangle that has an area 20 centimeter square. That means they give you area, and also they give you 24 centimeter is the perimeter. Draw a rectangle with this area and perimeter. Okay, so first of all we need to find the length and the width. It satisfied area and perimeter as well. Okay, so first of all, what is area is given to you 20 centimeter square. So I wrote it here, area 20 meter square. We know that what is the area of a rectangle? Length multiplied by width, right? Length multiplied by width is a rectangle. So we need to write the factors we already done in the first term. So factors means what? Just length multiplied by width, multiply here. 1 into 20, 1 multiplied by 20 is 20, 2 multiplied by 10 equal to 20. 3 table there is no 20. In a 4 table 4 5s are 20. Again there is, in 5 table there is a 20, but repeated means stop. Okay, this is about the area. Now coming to the perimeter. So what is the perimeter means? 24 centimeter. We know that. I explained you when I start the explanation of perimeter. What is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 times length plus width, right or no? Length plus width. So if it is 2 means here multiply. If you move that side, remember division. Okay, always there is a relation between multiply and the division. Okay, so multiply, here multiply, if you move it from left to right, it changes to division. So 24 divided by 2, how much? 12. So now check it here, which two numbers, if I take it, when I add, take it and add, the answer should be 12. So check it, 1 plus 20, 21, not possible. 2 plus 10, 12. So it is the 12 or not? That means the length is 10 and the width is 12. Okay, the length is 10 and the width is 12. Clear? So now check it, I draw this one. So length is 10 and the width is 12. So what is the area means? Length multiplied by width. That means 10 multiplied by 2 is 20 centimeter square. It's satisfied. Perimeter means what? Add all the sides. So 10 plus 10 is 20, 22 and plus 2, 24. So 24 centimeter. That means for the same length and the width, the area and the perimeter should be satisfied. Coming to the same question now, question number 6. Investigate the possible length and the width of the rectangle. Then the area is 36 centimeter square, perimeter is 36. So first of all, what you do? Area means what? We know that length multiplied by width. So first of all, I wrote 1 multiplied by 36, 2 multiplied by 18, 3 multiplied by 12, 4 multiplied by 9, the 4 9s are 36. In 5 table there is no 36, 6 6 are repeated means stop. This is the rule for the factors. Okay, multiply. Now what is the perimeter? 2 times length plus width equal to 26. I told you it's multiplication. If move that's it's division. So 26 over 12, 2. That means half of 26 almost 13. Now check it. Which two numbers if I add it, I'll get it 13. So 1 plus 36, 37, not possible. 2 plus 18, 20, not possible. 3 plus 12, 15, not possible. 4 plus 9, 13. That means now the length is 9. The length is 9 and the width is 4. The length is 9 and the width. So check it. What is the area of a rectangle? Length multiplied by width. So 9 fours are 36. Okay, and what is the perimeter means? Add all the sides. So 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 4 is 22 and 22 plus 4 is 26. Okay, clear? Now coming to the last question. This hexagon is made from equilateral triangle, and you know that what is meant by equilateral triangle. What is meant by equilateral triangle? All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Check it, only one triangle. Suppose I consider this is the triangle. Okay, this is the equilateral triangle. I consider only this triangle. What is the perimeter is given to you for the equilateral triangle? 24 centimeter. So perimeter of equilateral triangle 24. We already learned in perimeter 1. Whenever is given the perimeter, we know that how to find the each side of the triangle. So how to find each side of the triangle? 24 divided by 3. Why divide by 3? Because triangle has 3 sides. So when I divide by 3, 24 divided by 3 is 8. That means now this all the 3 sides is 8. Right or no? This all the sides are 8. Clear? This all the sides are 8. Now we ask you to find the perimeter of hexagon. But whenever I want to find the perimeter of hexagon, I don't want inside values. I need only outside. That means if this is 8, he said that in the beginning, that is the regular. It is this hexagon is made of equilateral triangle. That means equal means all are same sides, outside also. So now I need to take only outside values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sides and each side how much? 8. So 6 multiplied by 8 how much? It is 48 centimeter. Okay. Now your homework is investigate the possible length and the width of a rectangle that has an area 16 meters square, 16 centimeters square, and the perimeter of 20 centimeters. Same like question number 5 and 6. I hope you understand today's topic. If you have any more questions, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.